Yes, students. So, how are you all? Good afternoon and welcome to the class. And today we'll be taking up another very important topic of the English grammar, that is connectors. Okay. So connectors जो है basically we can see from its name connectors. That is connector किस word से बना है? Connect से बना है. Connect is basically what? To join something. उसको connect करना बोलता है. We have two pieces of पाइप एट आवर होम. अगर हमें उसे एक जॉइंटर डालते हैं हम बीच में और उसके थ्रू हम दोनों को जोड़ रहे हैं तो व्हाट वी से दैट वी कनेक्टेड इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ जॉइंट. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होता है? कनेक्ट करना, किसी चीज को जोड़ना, किसी चीज को ज्वाइन करना. सो व्हाट वी कैन व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ द लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश, हम क्या क्या कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? वी कैन कनेक्ट द टू वर्ड्स, we can connect the phrases and we can connect even the clauses. ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले आप दो छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, उसके बाद में आप फ्रेजेस को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, दैट इज ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, या फिर आप क्लॉजेस या होल सेंटेंसेस, दो सेंटेंसेस को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो फॉर द बेटर मीनिंग ऑफ इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन से इज कनेक्टर्स. इसे हम एक और नेम से भी बोलते हैं. व्हाट इज इट्स अनदर नेम? दैट इज कंजक्शंस. ओके, सो कनेक्टर्स जो होते हैं आर द वर्ड्स यूज्ड टू जॉइन words, phrases and clauses, and these can be, how many kind of conjunctions can be there, connectors can be there. जब हम बोलते हैं connectors relative pronouns and relative adverbs को join करता है, it can be conjunctions, it can be prepositions. ये सारी वो चीजें हैं, connector are words to join the word, phrases and the clauses, and these can be, इनको हम जिन्हें हम join कर सकते हैं, they can be conjunctions, they can be relative pronouns, they can be relative adverbs, they can be prepositions. Basically ये कहीं पे भी कुछ भी connector का काम करती हैं. So connectors basically joining words होते हैं. But now specifically when we are talking of conjunctions, तो इस chapter में हम specific conjunctions के बारे में ही पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so what is it all about? Now read the following sentences. He came and sat beside his wife. Eat it or leave it. Did you know that he was my brother? Make hay while the sun shines. I cannot see how he can win. Now see, he came and sat beside his wife. Eat it or leave it. Did you know that he was my brother? Make hay while the sun shines. I cannot see how he can win. Now looking at all these things, सारे italics में जो words हैं, have you seen those italic वाले जो words हैं? They are the conjunctions. And what are the italic words? First sentence A, in the B sentence it's or, then the C one it's that, D one it's while, and E one it's how. So these five words are what? These are the conjunctions. They are used to join together the words, and sometimes they join the sentences. In sentences 1 and 2 जो conjunctions है ना, and or, they join together the clauses that are independent of each other. That is, they are of equal rank. Such conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Now in sentence 1 what happens? 1 and 2 जो conjunctions हैं, 1 and 2 sentence के अंदर the conjunctions what are they? And और ये join together करती हैं the clauses जो बिल्कुल independent है of each other and are of equal rank in conjunctions को. So the conjunctions basically join two words or two sentences, those are of equal rank, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Coordinating conjunctions. ठीक है. Then comes in sentence 3, 4 and 5, that is that, while and how. These join clauses of unequal rank. One is the main or independent clause and the other one is the clause depending or limiting the main clause. So such conjunctions are known as what? They are known as subordinating conjunctions. One is coordinating and another is subordinating. So when we talk of the coordinating conjunctions, there are four types of conjunctions. What are they? Firstly, look at the name, pay concentration. One is the cumulative conjunctions. Second is the alternative conjunction, third is the adversative conjunctions, and fourth is the elative conjunctions. So when we talk of the cumulative conjunctions, ये जो four kind है, these are the coordinating, these join the two words or the two sentences or the two clauses, those are of equal rank. So see, when we talk of cumulating, so by these conjunctions, one statement or fact is simply added to the other. In this, what happens? एक कंजंक्शन जो है, एक स्टेटमेंट या फिर जो फैक्ट होता है ना, इज सिंपली एडेड टू द अदर वन। सो इसके लिए हम जो कंजंक्शंस यूज करते हैं, बोथ आर इक्वल, लाइक एंड हो गया, both and as well as not only but also. There are many type of conjunctions, but यहाँ पे we are taking example of the few just to make you understand what is the cumulative connectors. So by these conjunctions, one statement or fact is simply added to the other one. Okay. So see, and से हम कैसे करेंगे, trust in God and do the right. So these are basically two things of equal rank. So combiningly they give us a very defined meaning. Trust in God and do the right. Both and, he was both fined and imprisoned. He is both, दोनों है, fined भी and imprisoned भी. As well as his brother is intelligent. Okay, he and as well as his brother दोनों क्या है, intelligent है. Not only but also. So ये कैसे रहेगा, he was not only fined but also imprisoned. उसे ना ही सिर्फ फाइन किया गया था but also imprisoned. Alternative, by these conjunctions an alternative or choice is offered between one statement and another. Okay, so by these conjunctions एक alternative या फिर जो choice है, it is offered between one statement and the another. So see, either or, neither nor, or otherwise and else. All these are what? These are the alternative. Alternative समझते हो, choice मिल जाना, या तो ये कर लो या वो कर लो, ये भी मत करो वो भी मत करो. So what is it? Do this or do this otherwise ऐसा हो जाएगा, और else this will happen. So ये जितने भी conjunctions है ना, what are they showing? They are giving us the alternatives. So by these conjunctions जो alternative या choices जो offer की जाती हैं between one statement and other are shown, like either and or. Either he is a fool or he is a rogue. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. She must weep or will die. Work hard else, that is or otherwise. दोनों में से आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो. You will not pass. So these both are giving us what? These all these 4-5 जो हमने conjunctions किए हैं, those show the alternative choices between the choices given to us. Then comes as adversatives. Now adversatives क्या होते हैं? The conjunctions express opposition or contrast between two statements. Adverse means just opposite, contrasting situations. So see, वो conjunctions जो express करती हैं oppositions या फिर contrast between two statements, दो statements के बीच का contrast, as what? जैसे कि but, still and yet, nevertheless, whereas, while. So see, he is slow but he is steady. So adverse opposite conditions है कि slow है और steady है. Then comes still and yet, he is very rich, still he is not contented. वो बहुत rich है but yet and still he is not content at heart. उसे तसल्ली नहीं है. Nevertheless, he had no chance of success. Nevertheless, he tried. कोई चांस नहीं है सक्सेस का, बट नेवरदलेस ही ट्राइड, फिर भी उसने ट्राई किया. सो बोथ दीज आर अगेन कंट्रास्टिंग एडवर्स कंडीशंस. वाइज मैन लव वर्च्यू वेयरएज फूल शन इट. वाइज मैन जो है दे लव वर्च्यू, उन्हें वर्च्यू बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है. वेयरएज फूल्स जो होते हैं उनका वर्च्यू से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता. सो दीज आर आल्सो सम एडवर्स थिंग. देन कम्स इलेटिव. Now, by these conjunctions, one statement or fact is inferred or proved from another. इस statement से क्या होता है? Fact जो होता है ना, और statement, it is inferred or proved from the other. जैसे एक जो होता है elative means एक statement जो है वो दूसरे को prove कर रही है. उसमें जो कहा जा रहा है ना, they are doing the work of the proving. That is therefore he was found stealing, therefore he was fined. उन्हें कैसे पकड़ा गया? चोरी करते हुए. Therefore he was fined, और उसी चोरी की वजह से उन्हें फाइन किया गया. So if somebody asks you why he was fined, so you have the reason. आपके पास में एक statement है which is going to prove that why you fined him, because he was found stealing. So और consequently, तो इस consequently इसका क्या करोगे? He did not work so he failed, और he did not work consequently he failed. Consequently means consequences क्या होता है? Results. So why he failed, if you are being asked क्यों fail हुआ वो, so you have the reason, you have the statement that is going to prove it कि why he was failed. He was failed because he did not work. He will pass for he works very hard. Now there's a good reason कि वो पास हुआ. वो कैसे पास हो गया? So कैसे is again a question. So we have a statement which is going to prove for the another one that why he passed, because for he works very hard. So this way यहाँ पे therefore, so, consequently या for हो गया. So all these are the elative coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions basically क्या थे? The conjunctions which join two words or two phrases or two clauses which are of equal rank. They are known as coordinating conjunctions. How many kind of coordinating conjunctions we did? 4. What were they? Cumulative, then alternative, then adversative, and then elative. And what were the examples for it? Cumulative का क्या example था? And, both and, as well as, not only but also. And alternatives ka either or, neither nor, or otherwise else. Then comes the adversative, that is but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, or while. Then fourth one is relative. इनके examples क्या थे? Therefore, so, consequently, and for. Okay, so these were the coordinating conjunctions or the coordinating connectors. Next we move to the subordinating conjunctions. Now subordinating conjunctions क्या है? They are of 8 kinds. Okay, जैसे हमारा coordinating कितना था? कितने types का था? 4. But now we have subordinating. It has 8 kinds. First is the time. Second is cause or reason. Third is the result or consequence. Then purpose. Then condition. Then concession or contrast. Then comparison. Then the extent or manner. Okay. Now see. 8 kinds जो है of subordinating conjunctions. Just pay attention to it. First one is time. She died before she reached 30. Okay, she died before she reached 30. Wait till or until he returns. I returned after she had gone. I will leave as soon as he comes. The sun will rise while the world lasts. Her name will live so long as the world lasts. It happened when I was in Delhi. He entered as the clock struck 10. Now see the italic words that I am going to read it out again. Before, till, until, after, as soon as, while, so, when, and as. So all these are what? These are the conjunctions. These are the connectors. And what kind of connection they are showing? They are showing the connection of time. अब आप देखो, she reached 30, she died before, तो ये भी एक time हो गया. He returns, returning shows the time. Gone, going shows the time. Comes, comes shows the time. The rising of the sun till the world lasts, it's showing the time. Name will live as long as the world lasts, this is showing the time. It happened when I was in Delhi, so at what time I was there, so time is again showing. Clock struck 10, this is again the time. So these are the conjunctions, they are the subordinating conjunction, basically they refers to time. Then comes cause or reason. I love him because he loves me. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 11. Okay. I love him because he loves me. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to the bed as it is 11. So I am going to read out the 3 conjunctions, that is because, since, as. Okay, so see, I love him because he loves me. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 11. Okay, so I just love him because he loves me. So because this is the reason that why I love him, because वो भी मुझे प्यार करते हैं. I will go there since you desire it. मैं वहाँ चली जाऊँगी. Why? What's the cause or the reason? Because you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 11. What's the reason that we should go to bed? Because it is 11. So reason and cause are shown by because, as, and since. And many more can be there. These are the few examples of each and every type. Now result or consequence. He wept so much that he fell. She was so intelligent that she won the first prize. Now this is the result or the consequence. जो भी चीज होती है उसके बाद का result. He wept so much. वो इतना रोया that he fell ill. कि वो बीमार हो गया. Okay, so this is the result. She was so intelligent that she won the first prize. वो इतनी intelligent that what happened? She won the first prize. So here also that is showing what? It's showing the result or the consequence. Okay, then comes the purpose. Now purpose shows what? We eat so that we may live. She worked hard so that she might pass. Walk carefully, lest you should fall. He works hard in order that he may become rich. Now we eat. Now this is showing the purpose. किसी चीज के होने का purpose क्या होता है? We eat so that we may live. हम खाते हैं किस purpose के लिए खाते हैं? What's the क्या है वजह क्या है जिसके लिए हम खाते हैं? So that we may live. She worked hard so that she might pass. वो किस वजह से इतना hard work करती है? So that she might pass. वॉक केयरफुली लीस्ट यू शुड फॉल. किस वजह से आपको केयरफुली वॉक करना है? सो दैट आप गिर ना जाओ. ही वर्क्स हार्ड इन ऑर्डर दैट ही मे बिकम रिच. वो उसको किस वजह से हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है? सो दैट ही मे बिकम रिच. So that least and in order that, these are basic what? These are the conjunctions which shows the purpose. Then comes the condition. Now condition is what? He will dismiss you if you are late again. I agree to these terms provided you agree to mine. He ran as if he had been shot. You cannot be pardoned unless you confess your fault. Now condition समझते हो? किसी चीज के लिए क्या लगा देना? हम बोलते हैं ना, हम कुछ भी लेते हैं उसमें लिखा होता है terms and conditions necessary. ठीक है? Now see, he will dismiss you if you are late again. Okay, आपको वो dismiss करेंगे if you are late again. I agree to these terms provided कि आप agree करोगे to mine. He ran as if he had been shot. वो ऐसे दौड़ा as if he had been shot. You cannot be pardoned unless you confess your fault. आपको pardon नहीं किया जा सकता unless आप अपने fault को confess करें. Now concession or contrast, he is an honest man although he is poor. He is not contented though he is very rich. He will never pass however hard he may try. I like him as much as you like. Sorry, this is for comparison. So concession or contrast. Now what is this? He is an honest man although he is poor. ठीक है, he is an honest man. वो एक honest man है although वो क्या है? He is poor. So this is basically the contrasting thing. Honest and poverty are the both two concessions or contrast. He is not contented though he is rich. Rich है but फिर भी आत्म संतुष्टि नहीं है. So this is what? This is again a contrast presented together. He will never pass however hard he may try. वो कितनी भी मेहनत कर ले but he is never going to pass. So this is also concession or contrast. So although, though and however, what are these going to show us? Concession and contrast. Then comes the comparison. So see, she is as clever as I. ठीक है, वो इतनी clever है जितनी मैं. So she and me, हम दो में क्या हो गया यहाँ पे comparison. I like him as much as you. You and I में comparison हो गया. She likes me no less than you. She and you में comparison हो गया. He is cleverer than you. He and you में comparison हो गया. So see, she is as clever as I. So as is what? The comparative conjunction. I like him as much as you. So as much as क्या हो गया? Comparative conjunction. She likes me no less than you. So no less than is what? It's again a conjunction. He is cleverer than you. तो ये then क्या है? It's again a comparative conjunctions. Extent or manner. Men will reap as they sow. He lay still as if he were dying. So men reap करेंगे as they sow. जैसा आप बोओगे वैसा आप पाओगे. So men will reap as they sow. So as is what? It's the extent or the manner. He lay still as if he were dying. वो इतने still थे as if he were dying. ठीक है. So as if जो है यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Extent or manner. So this basically shows कि extent या manner जैसा आपने बोया वैसा आपने पाया. He lay still. किस manner में? वो इस manner में इतना still लेटे है as if he were dying. So these basically two things जो है, these are showing us what? These are showing the extent and the manner in which the thing is being joined. So he lay still as if he is dying, and men will reap as they sow. So these are the two things that are showing the extent and manner. So now when we talk of the subordinating conjunctions, we talk that there are 8 kind of subordinating conjunctions. And what are they? What are these 8 kind? It's the time showing conjunctions, it's the cause or reason, it's the result or consequence, it's the purpose, it's the condition. Then sixth one is it shows the concession or contrast. Seventh one is it shows the comparison, and the eighth one is it shows the extent or the manner. So this way we can say कि ये थे हमारे subordinating and the coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Now we are moving to the assignment exercise. We have a small set of exercise with us that we will be practicing. So I am giving you the unmute you all option. I'll read out the question and you are going to give me the answer. Okay. Okay, first of all, Himanshu, unmute yourself and just say what you want to say. आपका hand बहुत देर से raised है. You have any query? Yes, so with this we can say कि जो हमारा यहाँ का part था connectors का, that we have finished and we have even practiced the exercises and I hope आपके बहुत से doubts clear हो चुके हैं. So ठीक है, बहुत ही quickly main things कि जितने भी conjunctions है ना, just learn them by heart. Okay. पहले तो आपको द नेम ऑफ द कंजंक्शंस पता होने चाहिए. जैसे आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एंड भी एक कंजंक्शंस है, नॉट ओनली भी एक कंजंक्शन होता है, आइदर और भी एक कंजंक्शन है, बट ऑल्सो भी एक कंजंक्शन है. आपको चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. अनटिल है, बिफोर है, एज सुन एज है, व्हाइल है, व्हेन, बिकॉज, सिंस, एज. यू शुड नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द कंजंक्शन. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये क्या होती है. ये सारी हमारी कंजंक्शंस है. ओके. सो जब आपको पता होगा कंजंक्शंस कौन सी होती है, देन यू हैव टू नो इट्स यूजेस कि कौन सी कंजंक्शन किस टाइप के सेंटेंस में यूज करनी है. जब ये चीज माइंड में क्लियर होगी ना, यू आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू प्लेस अ करेक्ट कंजंक्शन एट अ करेक्ट प्लेस. So this way we can say we have two kind of conjunctions, that is coordinating conjunction and subordinating. Coordinating is of 4 types: cumulative, alternative, फिर उसके बाद में adversative and the relative. एंड सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस बेसिकली जो दो अनइक्वल रैंक की फ्रेजेस को, सेंटेंसेस को या वर्ड्स को कनेक्ट करती हैं. वहीं ऑन द अदर हैंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग किसे कनेक्ट कर रहा था? टू फ्रेजेस, टू क्लॉजेस और टू वर्ड्स ऑफ इक्वल रैंक. सो सबऑर्डिनेटिंग की जब बात करते हैं, देयर आर 8 काइंड ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. दैट इज ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज ऑफ कॉज एंड रीजन, इट्स ऑफ रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंस, it's of purpose, it's of condition, it's of concession or contrast, it's of comparison, and its extent or manner. So these are all what? These are the subordinating conjunctions. Okay. So with this we can say the topic is clear to you all. आप अच्छे से देखेंगे, whatever books you have, you just go through the connector exercises और आप उसको practice करें. And while the practicing, अगर आपको कोई इश्यू क्रिएट होता है कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आपको किसी तरह का कोई डाउट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू आर स्टक समवेयर कि आप उसको आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, यू कैन आस्क इट टू मी. ओके. So go through it well, go through the topic nicely, start practicing the exercises, and if there are any queries, I am there to solve it. You can ask me. Okay. Till then, with this, we'll off the class for today and we'll be meeting in our next class with a new topic. Till then, just keep studying and take care of yourself.